just want to move on now to what we call diphthongs. So when I say diphthongs, I'm not talking about thongs as in underwear. I'm talking about a combination of two vowels that are considered to be one syllable. And when you pronounce these diphthongs, they make a very distinctive sound. Now, they may look easy, but they're actually very hard to pronounce, particularly for those of you who are just beginning your te reo Māori journey. So let's practice. Let's start off with A-E, I. Let's look at the next one, I, A-I. The next one, ao, and A-U-O. So you can hear the subtle differences between I and I, as well as ao and o. A-U is pronounced as in toe, as in your big toe. Okay, let's look at the next line. Ea, a, eo, ew. Ew is a very tricky one to say. Can you say this? Te heu heu. Te heu heu is the name of the paramount chief of the Ngāti Tūwharetua tribe in Taupo. I often hear people mispronouncing te heu heu as te hiu hiu. However, it is correctly pronounced as te heu heu. Let's look at the next one. Ia, ie, io, and iu. Can you say pew pew? Ka pai. Let's look at the next line here. Oa, oe, oi, and o. O, O-U-O. Can you say that? O. Ka rawe. Next one. Ua, ue, ui, and uo. Ka rawe hua mā.